In front of me is Honor 400, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. When you're ready, scroll all the way down and tap on Privacy Controls. Then finally you can click on Permission Manager and tap on any of those options you wish to manage. Like for example, location. Now it's time to click on one of your apps and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Location access for this app allow only while using the app. Ask every time. Or don't allow. Whatever you decided, just go back. As you can see, after that, Amazon Music just gain access to my device's location if I'm using this music app. But you can also select any feature. Look for an app that you wish to manage, and instead of applying any of those options, scroll all the way down. Then click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!